See, when the ducks start parting with the duckettes, they, you know you accomplished something there, Break.
Yeah, but those background singers don't have a horn to honk.
Ford Cat 073 in Georgia, 302, waving a big old hand out there, your neck in the woods, and I rolled that 5 and kept it all the way alive. Radio station, Motor Mouth Mall, the beast walking on through. Breaker, 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 and there's a little bit more audio. Not a whole lot more, just a little bit more, and I got down.
Tried picking flames and honking the horn. One way up in the redwoods of Cali got down.
Absolutely, man. It's a whole lot better than cable. Don't have to worry about any Johnny balls or porcelain insulators to break up everything to non-resonant lengths. You just put it in line and tighten her down, and it just stays up there, man. It's perfect. It's good stuff. I love it. Never, never, never will I ever use anything but Philistrand for that stuff. I used the 5/16 inch, I guess it was. Yeah, not the quarter. I used the, well, it was 2,300 pound test. That's what I used. I used 2,300 pound test, and I used a whole bunch of it. So it's well overrated for what it's doing. And then I used, you know, at the ends, I used those dead grips. You twist them around the cable there, or twist them around the Philistrand, and twist the other one over it. Man, it just works so great. It's so clean looking and beautiful looking thing. You don't see all those doggone, I had to use a couple of those rope clamps, but I hate those rope clamps.